Hi! We're in the car post-graduation. Hello.
We're sitting here in traffic.
Stop. Say something, Allison. Congratulations. Say something, Mom.
Congratulations, Natalie. Very proud of you. Busy week.
So Natalie, what are your words?
I'm really glad it's over. That's all. I got good grades. That's it. I got 1 C+ signature. I lost the entire grade. But that's the only bad grade I ever got. And I made a point to write her a letter and tell her that she loved my career in school, my career success, all A's and B's. So I guess it's over. Obviously I'm not over yet, but anyway. It's like out your mouth. It's like only your mouth. Is it? Is anything really enough?
I've got something to say. It's not working out between us.
And